expressions of concern, they're certainly not going to change the Chinese intention one little bit. I mean, we have had expressions of concern, and they have pushed through this national security law at double quick speed. So at that level, it isn't going to make any difference. What we need to do is try and find ways for putting pressure on the Chinese government, yes, so that they will, if not, they won't retract, but they may make the implementation of that law rather less fierce than it seems that it is likely to be at the moment. They need to be aware that the eyes of the international community are on them. The United States has said that it may adopt some sanctions. They are unlikely, quite honestly, to make a huge difference. Again, they are as much gesture politics as real politics, but the gestures are important, and the political gestures are important. I don't think Beijing has anything particular to fear, because the sanctions that they are talking about are mainly withdrawing special status in particular areas from Hong Kong and treating it more like the rest of China. So the people likely to be hurt are Hong Kong businesses and Hong Kong people, rather than Chinese businesses or the Chinese government. So I think the effect on China is likely to be marginal. And as I understand it, actually the effect on Hong Kong itself is likely not to be very great. We are at the moment in a situation where just the US, UK, and the EU are moving in different directions from one another in many areas. And I think it is perhaps to China's advantage that that should be so. It is much more difficult for them to coordinate action and statements over Hong Kong and issues like that. Because our interests, in fact, do tend to diverge, those of Europe and the United States. And the Europeans, and to a lesser extent the British, do not wish to be drawn into a big fight between China and the United States, in which they are likely to be the losers.